Hey everyone! Did you know that the fashion industry is worth over $2 trillion? That's a staggering amount. It just goes to show how powerful style can be. But let me ask you, have you ever felt completely lost when it comes to your personal style? Welcome to the Ultimate Fashion, Beauty, and Lifestyle Guide. In this video, we're diving deep into how fashion, beauty, and lifestyle choices can seriously enhance your personal expression and boost your confidence. So, if you're looking to unlock your style potential, you're in the right place. Now, let's talk about some common challenges we all face. Maybe you've scrolled through social media and felt overwhelmed by the endless trends. Or perhaps you've stood in front of your closet, wondering how to create a cohesive look that truly reflects who you are. Sound familiar? You're not alone. Many people struggle with finding their own style, and that's okay. The good news is, it doesn't have to be that way. Let's explore some different fashion styles, beauty tips, and lifestyle choices together. Whether you're into the chic and sophisticated vibe, the boho look, or a more sporty aesthetic, there's something out there for everyone. For instance, don't be afraid to mix and match patterns. It can create a unique style all your own. And when it comes to beauty, think about skincare first. A glowing complexion can make any makeup look pop. Plus, lifestyle choices like mindfulness and self-care can dramatically improve how you feel about your overall appearance. Now, here's a key moment to remember. One standout trend that's transforming the fashion landscape is sustainability. Embracing eco-friendly brands and thrifting not only helps the planet, but can also elevate your style game. Imagine rocking a vintage piece that no one else has. It's all about being unique. Plus, making conscious lifestyle choices can significantly boost your well-being and confidence. To wrap it all up, we've covered how fashion, beauty, and lifestyle choices play vital roles in self-expression and self-care. Remember, your personal style is an extension of who you are, and it's all about feeling good in your own skin. So embrace it. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite fashion or beauty tips? Drop them in the comments below. And if you want to explore more insights on fashion and beauty, make sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.